going on, guys? Welcome back to the Avion Air channel. My name is Rich. I got some new content for the channel, and to be honest, there's going to be a lot more of this flight sim content moving forward in the future. Back when I first started this channel, this was the kind of content that I had in mind for it, and because it took so long to get the simulator all put together, I started posting the other hobby, which is building models. But this is what I'm really excited about. This is what I want to share with everybody. Today, just got the Microsoft Flight Simulator downloaded on the brand new gaming desktop, the Alienware R13. And we're just going to mess around a little bit for this first video. I think we're going to go over here to the activities and do some landing challenges. I was practicing this one in Nice, France earlier. I'm going to go ahead and do this one again since I have all the controls set up for it. It's a single engine complexer playing Beechcraft Bonanza. I'm going to go ahead and fly. I hope I got these controls set up the way they're supposed to be. We'll figure it out if they're not. I mean, I'm very excited to finally start posting some of these flight sim videos. I don't know, I kind of like the idea of doing these landing challenges, just maybe do like a series of landing challenges. If you guys have any ideas on challenging airports that you know about, let me know in the comments. Graphics setting is going to be Ultra, so I'm very excited to see what this looks like. Oh wow. That does look nice. Alright. Yes, it looks like I got the controls configured properly. Alright, so airport's off to about 10 o'clock on the left here. We're going to be landing on that right-hand runway, one furthest away from us. Start getting this airspeed under control here. Still a little bit too fast. Bring back the throttle a little bit. I want to be able to get the airspeed back down into that white arc where I can start putting in some flaps, start lowering the landing gear, and all that good stuff. Alright, looks like we're right on glide path right now. You can tell by the two white lights, two red lights. Well, now we got 3 red, 1 white, a little low. Alright, airspeed's under control. We're bringing in some flaps. And we'll put the landing gear down. There we go, back on glide path. Let's roll out final here. And a little bit low. Alright. Now we're really low. Add a little power. Add some more flaps. And we'll kind of shallow this descent rate until we get back on glide path. Looks like we're getting there. Airspeed is just about where I want it. I want to be closer to about 80, so I'm about 10 knots fast. Right. There we go. Back on glide path. Lower the nose. We'll follow this down to the 1,000-foot markers, which are those white blocks right next to those red and white lights. A little bit fast still. Last little bit of flaps. Still a little fast. Let me correct that. Nose coming up, power's coming out. Want to hold it off. Oh, probably a little hard on the landing. A little left the center line too, but safely on the ground. I don't know. I probably didn't score very well on that one. A B. Oh, I can do better than that. Let's try that again. Alright, let's jump in it. Landing gear down. Say my pitot heat's off. Oh, I guess it's on now. That doesn't matter. That's a distraction. Getting a little low, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some throttle. Pitch up a little bit, arrest that descent rate. Hold about 800 feet here until I come back onto that glide path. Looks like I'm getting close. Got 1 white, 3 red. We're looking for 2 white, 2 red. Alright, see our flaps, landing gear is down. I got 3 green. I'll go ahead and turn final here. There we go, there's 2 white, 2 red. That's what we want to see.
$500.
Alright. On glide path. A little bit fast. So I'll make that change. Oh, now I'm just a little high. Okay, back on it. I say, don't let me overcorrect and go way too high, because I was too low last time. It's looking a lot better. When you get in real low to the ground like this, these pappies will all eventually go all red. So you kind of just gonna start having to look at your touchdown aim point and just keep the airplane going right for it. Varietal power, holding the nose off. Bam! There we go. Let's maintain directional control. Apply some brakes. That one felt a lot better. That's it. Come to a stop. Alright, now that I'm a lot more happy with that score. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. If you got any other ideas for landing challenges or other kind of sim content that you want to see on the channel, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.